In this video, I will show you how to turn off activity status on TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on TikTok. Now to turn off your activity status, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto the inbox icon. From here, what you need to do, if you look at the top where it says inbox, you can see I've currently got this green dot, which means my activity status is currently turned on. Now to turn this off, what you actually want to do is press onto this green dot at the top. And what that's going to do is bring up a window at the bottom like this. And if you want to turn this off, all you need to do is simply come down. You're going to see a switch at the bottom next to activity status. Just go ahead and press onto the switch. As you can see, the green dot has now changed to a grey dot, which means that our activity status has now been turned off. So that is how to turn off activity status on TikTok. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.